How you guys doing? This is Martin. You know me from my series on how to pay off your car loan in 36 months without giving up Starbucks. I didn't go to Starbucks today. It started to warm up. Or you've been watching my series on how give you some tips on how to pay off your car loan quicker. And some of you guys have been taking advantage of that one. But also, I want you to go back and also look at the one about the student loan. I want you to go back to the ones back 2014, 2015. Just learn how when that loan was still up probably in the high 70s or 60s, how like I was saying like, hey, I was working extra hours, looking for places to work, developing strategies. So go back and look at those, because I'm going back myself now and looking at that, because now the economy has changed so much. Like I told you, I was a coward for not knowing how to sell. Well, I'm going to have to do more selling than I thought. I thought, hey, I'd sign up for this BNP tournament. I'd get all these hours. And for the second year in a row, I only get like 2 shifts out of 4 weekends, because they want you to work all those weeks. But I learned from Grant, why are you going to take time off from your job? Vacation, 100 hours, like take a vacation just to go make the same amount of money you would have made if you just would have just stayed at the current job, technically, because you got to use your vacation to go work during that week. So they've kind of been punishing me. So I'm like, I'm a coward and I got to learn how to sell. So I'm getting ready to start visiting the dental offices, and then I'm just looking for some commission type jobs now. Commission, calling for people, and then I'll see what I can do to build up my. Basically, I'm a farmer now. I've become a farmer. I am the businessman. I got to go out, have the courage to talk to people, deal with rejections, because I remember way back then, like you could get any type of job. I was working banquet server. What did I do? Banquet server. I worked Macy's. I worked all over. Now you cut. That's back 2014. Now 6 years later, the kind of jobs are mostly sales, telemarketing, digital marketing strategists. And you have all these other existing businesses, but they don't know how to sell. So half of them are about to, like what I told you, 76 or 59% of businesses break even or lose money. Well, a lot of them just don't know how to sell, or they think they can go on the internet and advertise. So it's just a mess, man. I mean, I was like, gosh, I got to learn how to just deal with the sales stuff. So I'm a farmer now. I need to go out. I need to learn how to go out, farm, plant the seed, follow up with the seed. Because, I mean, that's why back then it was like pretty easy. Now it's like, well, I don't want to work in a warehouse. I don't want to work for FedEx. And like my day, just 2014, 2015, there was a place called retail where people would go buy things and you could get stuff. Well, those jobs are far and few in between. And I don't know how to cook. I don't really want to cook. There's no money to be made in cooking. Everyone thinks they can. If I see one more restaurant open up, that's great. The restaurant's open. Now, what are you going to do to get the customers in? That's what's missing. Everyone has all these fancy cars. Everyone has the product, the alcohol, but are you bringing in people to eat, to use the services of your facility? That's what's missing now. So that's what I got to do now. Like last year, until like the summer, I may get do some team play events, which is a event. I do those things. But other than that, I got to go do sales. So you'll be getting a call from me. Telemarketing, what I do, telemarketing, door to door. I mean, I've done all. I'm gonna do more, and I'm working on getting this one contract to do some calls for real estate. But the person I are having trouble connecting. But that's fine. That's how life is when it comes to business. But I realized I got to go qualify, make sure the person has the money, follow up with them. Then I got to get the money, and then I got to deliver the services, and then it's like a circle now. So back in the old days, go back, you look at like 2014, 2015, you hear I got all kind of jobs. I was working at a banquet. I did one thing, UC Riverside. It was called Good Hands, and I was a banquet thing. I mean, I've worked all kind of stuff back then, but now it's like you're trying to find like a job, and I try to it's like I just got to make my own job, because like these people they want you to sell, but they don't have a strategy. They just think, oh, we'll give you commission and sell, and it's my fault, because like you got to kind of at least have a script, be ready to follow up, and like let them know, hey, it may take longer than you think. And a lot of them think they're going to get rich quick. And now everyone's trying to use these stupid apps to try to interview people and do. It's a mess, man. I'm telling you. I it's like it's a mess. I mean, all these apps for this, apps for that. How about this? Give me an app to make me some money instead of give me an app. I don't need to worry about cutting back on my time interviewing in person. I don't need to record my interview into the machine. Hey, just give me I'll go get the customers. You pay me money. How do we do that? I bang credit card, you pay product, I get paid, and that's the circle. So that's what I've come to. That's my strategy for the next March. I'll be working BNP 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, so I'll probably make about 150. But I need to make $12,568 this month, which means it's time to go to the marketplace and beg. You know, right? Yeah, I'm going to help you, blah, 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 blah. And then it's like back and forth, back and forth. Like, remember, I almost ran from the Girl Scout cookies, man. I was thinking I blew $85 and drinking alcohol. And then a little girl, hey, sir, can you give me $5 for my Girl Scout cookie? And I was going to order guys who were asking me $20. And I was trying to say, oh, I don't have any money and stuff. But then I was, wait, I wasted that much money in the bar last week. Did I say that when I was sitting at the bar talking a bunch of BS? No. So I gave the girl the money. Give me the box of cookies, man. Let me man up. Now I don't want to be like that older couple who walk by. Oh, no, we have a little girl. What does that mean? Do you want to buy one for me? If you bought one for your little girl or daughter, will you buy one for me? Come on, help me out, old people. Come on, I know. Buy a cookie for me. Maybe you'll go, the God will bless you and you won't have to eat dog food. Come on, help me out. I know your husband's an idiot. Why are you still with him? Tell him, little girl. Preach, preach. Come on. So, yeah, I just like giving people a hard time. I pay the money, but I'm learning. Like, yeah, I had the money, I'm paying, but some people just make me laugh. I told you, like, I see the people leave the Albertsons, all like a Ralph's and so whatever, a nice little supermarket, and they got one item in one hand. Then they get in their Mercedes, think they're looking good. I'll be like, car rich, cash poor. So tell me, what 99-cent store do you shop at? So, but yeah, so looks like my BNP idea has come to an end very quickly. I looked yesterday, only one shift. Because they want you to work the whole week. I understand, but I can't work the whole week. Grant said, don't take time off the work to go make money when you could be doing the same thing and improving yourself. So that's my rant for today. And I was a coward, but now I got to become a farmer and I got to go out there and ask for the money. So that's what I've been doing. So my thing for today is not to whine, take action. So how many of you guys are looking for a job right now? How many just got your layoff papers? How many of you guys just found out that you guys got your salary cut? Yeah, it's happening, man. It's happening, man. Like I told you, 2014, find any job, any place. Now, you want to work in a warehouse, man? You want to be a picker? You want to walk 2 or 3 miles each day picking shit up? Told you, I did that way back when I was in dressed after high school. Petavina mold and dye. I was a picker. I was an accountant. I ran an injection molding machine, packaged the products, and I didn't wear a vest. I didn't wear vests. I didn't wear goggles to go out and do this type of work. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is things are changing. But one thing that's going to change now is I'm going to be a salesman. No longer a coward. I'm going to go out there and ask for the money now. I'm just in Palm Springs, so I'm at Tramway, so all these people are coming to go walk up the hill and stuff. Don't grow old and do stupid old people shit, though, man. Have enough money where at least you go psycho, go party with the young people, man. Just and you can just go off kilter. So learn those type of skills. So as I head out, I want you to comment, subscribe, like. Comment, subscribe, like. Let me know, man. Need some help selling something? Give me a call, because I'm really ready to get you guys some referrals. Let me teach you what I learned at my seminar. Dropped $5,000 for. Got some great things for you. But most important things is I can refer you to some people who can help you. build your business. Don't be one of these businesses that are living month to month, thinking you're growing, and then when you don't know how to deal with the customers, you don't know how to ask for the money. That's not what you want. So give me a call. But comment, subscribe, like. Tell me, what do you think, man? Go back and look at my 2014, 2015 videos, man. Economy is totally changed now. Now it's an app. Retail, what's left is dying. Unless I want to go work in a warehouse picking shit up. You know what I got to do now? Got to become a salesman. Got to go out there. All businesses are the same. They all need customers. So subscribe, comment, like. Let me know what you think, man. Do you see what I'm saying? Let me know.